This is John with WTI. And for me, going out outside with a suit or a dark shirt, dark t-shirt, and that it has all these little things on top, it's just uncomfortable. But this is where this Scotch-Brite lint roller comes into place. And one of the things that I like the most from here is that it actually gets everything out in just like one or two rolls. It's pretty thick. Like the adhesive is really nice. So it's always gonna leave your clothes, anything. I have a suit that every single time that I wear it, I just have to use this guy because it catches everything. Like if it was a bee uh, going down to get some to make some honey, like a honeycomb. But getting this guy here just does the job perfectly. One or two strolls, this lint roller just does great. So if you want to just look nice and look clean with every one of your suits, this Scotch Brite lint roller just does the job. So this was John with WATI, and that was my point.